Hello, welcome to Gussied Up. Today I'm joined in the kitchen by my good friend Patrick Hallahan.
Hi, how's it going?
We are gonna make quiche.
One of my favorite dishes of all time.
Patrick makes a very, very good quiche. In addition to being an outstanding drummer of a very popular rock band, he's an incredible cook. And so when I had his quiche, I thought, this is something I wanna learn how to make, especially because I bet your grandma taught you how to make it.
My grandma did not cook at all. She was actually a lounge singer. So she could sing contemporary hits of the 80s.
Like what?
I keep holding on. You don't know that song?
I do now.
Oh my God. But she sang more than she cooked. So I actually learned the recipe that I've kind of built this off of from my mother-in-law.
What goes into your quiche?
All right, so my favorite quiche is bacon and either an onion or a leek if I can find it. They're eggs, you can put anything in it. You could put like, I don't know, G.I. Joes in there if you want. Do you want to make a G.I. Joe quiche? Maybe? Okay.
I'm not afraid of G.I. Joe.
It might be gross.
He's the real American hero. Isn't that the tagline?
That's right.
Okay, so you're gonna cook the bacon, I'm gonna cut the bowl of onions. We're putting it all into a pie crust that we went ahead and baked off at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes, just to let it get set. Okay, so we're cooking the bacon, but are we cooking the leeks or the onion?
I usually try to take as many steps out of the equation as possible, and I found that I don't have to cook the leeks or onions. I just stack them in there, and then they cook as the egg cooks. There we go.
Yeah, that looks good.
Now we're starting to get some rendered bacon goodness here. Hey, get out of that. I'm just joking.
It smells great.
That is exactly how I like it right there.
Okay, now cheese, right?
I like to gussy it up with Gruyere.
So good. So 5 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream.
I want to taste the bacon and see how salty it is. Poor me has to eat bacon. It's actually not super salty.
Yeah.
So we will be putting like a pinch of salt in there. A little black pepper. I just find that a little nutmeg, where you can't taste it, elevates the dish a little bit more. You won't know, I've put nutmeg in every quiche that you've tasted. It's just like this thing that fills in all the cracks. Just that much.
Really a pinch. Okay, good, good.
And I've played around with this enough to know that that actually does make a difference.
All right, I'm gonna trust you. I've had the quiche.
Let's build.
Okay, so this is about 12 ounces of bacon, 1.5 cups of onions cut up, and that's 1.5 cups of cheese.
Right.
Let's do it, Patrick.
Perfect. So we're gonna layer this thing. Let's start with some onions, then bacon.
And you're doing half of it, or what?
That's feeling pretty good to me.
Okay, all right.
Where you get that funk. And so that's one layer of ingredients. Now we're gonna put some custard in. Fill it like till it's all surrounded.
Okay, and then do you wiggle it all?
Yeah, so there's egg underneath the ingredients, like all of them at the end of it. So we want to evenly distribute it around. Perfect.
Nice.
And now we're gonna do it again.
Look at that.
Yes, just dump it all on there.
Just
Come on.
Crazy.
Why are we trying to play?
Yeah, this looking good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God.
And so then the top of this is gonna get more brown than something that doesn't have cheese. Okay, great.
325, 45 to 55 minutes. We want it nice and brown at the end. So here we go.
It is a beautiful quiche.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, so we have to let it cool.
Yes, I usually let it sit for 30 because it makes a better slice.
Okay, beautiful. So to serve it today with Rich Patrick, he wanted a side salad because we're having this for dinner.
That's the mark of wealth right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Quiche for dinner.
Watch out.
We have a little bit of arugula here. I also have some little baby cherries.
Are those sun golds?
These are.
Can I have one?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous, right? One of the things that really gussies up a salad is just some fresh herbs. I have some nasturtium, just the petals.
And just look at the color pop.
Beautiful.
You're gussying up that salad.
How do you want this? Salt, pepper.
Light olive oil,
Okay.
light lemon juice, a little salt. I find arugula to be pretty peppery.
So no pepper.
All right.
Yeah. Let's see.
Please. Look at that.
Oh, she's beautiful.
So look, all the ingredients are perfectly layered in there.
Yes.
Quiche cheers.
Crispy bacon, the onions that are giving you so much true spring onion flavor. Gruyere is the right cheese. Swiss would work. Even like a Monterey Jack would work. But the Gruyere with the onions is such a classic flavor. And then the nutmeg, which is right. It's so warm, it gives it such a nice, savory, earthy note, but is not distinguishable as nutmeg.
Well, this salad is a perfect complement to just how rich this quiche is.
Yeah.
It really does have a wow factor to it. It's a super simple dish when you get down all the techniques to it, and then you just show up and you're the star.
This quiche is definitely the star. It's so good I'm having trouble talking about the quiche because I just want to keep eating it. Patrick, sincerely, thank you for coming today, and thank you for sharing the recipe with me. It is a delight.
Thanks for having me. This is super fun.
And what would be even more fun is if you would play us out. Hit it, hit it. It sounded like I was really good until you stopped playing.
Thanks, you all.